we've had a couple of minor issues, and you guys have always been attentive and able to get us
Yeah.
working quickly, which is important, I think, too.
Yeah.
The customer service we've received after the installation. We had a charge controller go bad on us, and you guys got right on it. You guys were there when you said you were going to be there, which is important. And the batteries are smaller now, which is nice, because we had to replace one of the batteries. I think it might have even been under warranty. And at 130 pounds, it's tough to get them up and out, in and out of our crawl space, So
Yeah.
now the ones are much smaller, so it's a lot more manageable, which is good. But yeah, for sure.
I had a problem with the envoy at one point. I can't remember what it was, but I called them up and they sent me some materials, so they were able to walk me through how to reinitialize things. So that worked well. We did just last fall, we had to re-roof our house because we'd had some wind damage. And so, of course, we had to have Creative Energies come out and remove the panels. And well, they did the re-roofing, but they came out. It was very efficient. They did it very quickly. Stored the panels in our garage, and then came back, after the roof was done, and reinstalled them. We had a problem with pigeons getting underneath the panels. And when they pulled them off, they found actually 2 dead pigeons underneath the panels. So when they had them reinstall them, we had them reinstall what they call a critter guard. To keep pigeons from getting under there again. We're very, very happy about that because we've been trying to scare them off when we weren't very successful.
It's been really great. I know there was maybe 2 things we had to troubleshoot, and we were able to do that over the phone. But for installing a large system like that, just on the property, minor setbacks. There was one where it tried to trigger the batteries, and something with the switch was off, and my brother and Luke were able just to get through that, and since then they've had one other fault code, and that's been it.